Hello, friends. Welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? So, dear students, we are targeting 6.2 exercise. All the questions of this exercise, it is based on only 2 points. One is basic proportionality theorem. The next one is converse of basic proportionality theorem. So what is the difference between these two? If DE is parallel to BCE, then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is basic proportionality theorem. In the converse, if AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, then DE is parallel to BC. When two lines are parallel, the ratios are equal. When ratios are equal, two lines are parallel. So this is the basic proportionality theorem and its converse. The basic proportionality theorem, the ratio we can express in many ways. Here you can, as you see this one, what he wrote it as AD by DB. Here it is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So same basic proportionality theorem, we can express it as like this also. AD is same, but I'm taking whole thing AB. So AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So AE by AC. So this is also basic proportionality theorem. First you have to learn this one. I'm taking exactly reciprocal of this one. The second part reciprocal. So AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. This is also known as basic proportionality theorem. We can express in many ways. So all these are basic proportionality theorem ratios only. There is no confusion about this one. So when the two lines are parallel, the ratios are equal. When ratios are equal, two lines are parallel. Only based on this we have total this exercise. Let us see the questions now. 6.2 question number 1. In the figure 6.17, TE is parallel to BC. So he has clearly given these are parallel lines. When these are parallel, the ratios are equal. DE is parallel to BC. The ratios are equal. Which ratios are equal? In the figure, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So these two ratios are equal. So in the first question he has given AD is 1.5, DB is 3, AE is 1 and EC is how much? In the second question, AD he has missed out. I am taking this as X. DE, DB is 7.2, AE 1.8 centimeters, EC 5.4 centimeters. So we have to find the missing sides here. Here it is in CE, here it is AD. Let us find out. This is based on basic proportionality theorem. So same thing I can use it here for first one. I will reuse this one. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now I will substitute the values. AD value, it is clearly 1.5 by 3. So 1.5 by 3 is equal to 1 by something. So that something I'm taking it as X. So I have to find this X value. So cross multiply it. If not, simplify this one. 1.5 and 3. It goes by 1za and 2za. Why? Because of it is twice of this one. So cross multiply it. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by x. Cross multiply, you will get the answer. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So based on basic proportionality theorem, we got it as this EC value is how much? 2 centimeters. As simple. Without calculations also we can do it. This 1.5 becomes 3. Means how many times it is increased? 2 times. So this 1 becomes multiplied by 2. It increased by 2 times. So 1 into 2, that is clearly 2. So we got the answer is also 2 centimeters. So by this we can do it, this one. It's a very simple sum. Come to the question number 2. Again I will use the formula, same formula. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So substitute it. IAD value I don't know, that I am taking it as X. DB 7.2 is equal to AE 1.8 by 5.4. So X by 7.2. Here after one digit we have decimal. Here also after one digit we have decimal. So I can remove directly. Why? Because of both are in the same. This is, we can write it as 18 by 54. What is the value of 18 by 54? 18 ones are 18 threes are. So this value is how much? 1 by 3. Now I want x value, the value of x. This 7.2, it is dividing here. If I take to this side, it is multiplies here. So x is equal to 7.2 by 3. So clearly if you simplify it, it goes by 2 table. 3 2s are 6. 1 is left out. 1 to 12. 3 4s are 12. So 2.4 centimeters. 2.4 centimeters. So without calculations also we can do it. This is 5.4. It is decreased in divided by 3. So 5.4 divided by 3, that is 1.8. 7.2, it is divided by 3. When we divide by 3, you will get it as 2.4. So by this also we can get it same answer. I hope it is clear to everyone.